Arise and shine. It's muscle building time. Want bigger, stronger muscles? It all starts the moment you wake up. The way you begin your day can set the tone for the rest of it, and that includes your muscle building journey. Your morning routine is key. A nutritious breakfast fuels your body, providing the energy needed for those intense workouts. Think of it as the foundation upon which you'll build your strength. How you start your day sets the stage for muscle growth. Incorporating stretches or yoga can improve flexibility and prevent injuries, making your workouts more effective. We'll show you how to make the most of those early hours. A well-planned morning workout routine can maximize your muscle gains. Whether it's lifting weights or bodyweight exercises, consistency is key. Get ready to transform your body and build the physique you've always wanted. Seeing progress in the mirror can be incredibly motivating, pushing you to keep going. A well-structured morning routine primes your body for muscle building. Planning your workouts and tracking your progress helps you stay focused and committed to your goals. It kickstarts your metabolism and sets you up for a successful day of muscle gain. Hydration and proper nutrition are crucial components of muscle recovery and growth. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals. Preparation is half the battle. Having your gear ready ensures you won't skip your workout. It's time to ditch the snooze button and embrace a proactive approach to building muscle. Waking up with enthusiasm can set a positive tone for the entire day. Let's unlock the secrets to a powerful morning routine designed for rapid muscle gains. From the moment you wake up to the end of your workout, every step is crucial. Stay dedicated, stay motivated, and watch your muscles grow stronger each day. Fuel your muscles. Pre-workout nutrition power-up. Before you hit the gym, you need to fuel your muscles for the hard work ahead. This means paying attention to what you eat and drink before you start your workout. The right pre-workout nutrition provides your body with the energy and nutrients it needs to power through intense workouts and maximize muscle growth. Without proper nutrition, you might find yourself feeling sluggish and unable to perform at your best. Think of your body like a car. Just as a car needs fuel to run efficiently, your body needs the right kind of fuel to perform optimally during exercise. A car needs fuel to run, and so do your muscles. Without the right fuel, your muscles won't have the energy they need to perform and recover. Eating the right foods before your workout is like filling up your tank with premium gas. It ensures that your body has the necessary nutrients to sustain energy levels and support muscle function. A pre-workout meal should include a good source of carbohydrates for energy and protein to support muscle repair and growth. Carbohydrates are your body's main source of fuel, while protein helps to repair and build muscle tissue. A protein shake with a banana is a quick and convenient option that provides both carbs and protein. Or you might prefer a small bowl of oatmeal with berries and a scoop of protein powder. This combination offers a balanced mix of carbohydrates, fiber, and protein, making it an excellent choice for sustained energy and muscle support. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking water before your workout is crucial to maintain fluid balance and prevent dehydration, which can negatively impact your performance. Along with proper nutrition, a good warm-up routine is essential. It prepares your muscles and joints for the workout ahead, reducing the risk of injury and improving overall performance. By paying attention to your pre-workout nutrition and warm-up, you'll be setting yourself up for a successful and effective workout session. So, fuel up, warm up, and get ready to crush your fitness goals. Unleash your inner beast, the ultimate morning workout. This routine is designed to kickstart your day with energy and strength, setting the tone for a productive and powerful day ahead. Now that you're fueled up, let's get moving. A good breakfast is essential to provide the energy needed for an intense workout. Make sure you've had a balanced meal with proteins, carbs, and healthy fats. The right workout routine is crucial for stimulating muscle growth. Planning your exercises in advance helps you stay focused and ensures you target all the major muscle groups effectively. We'll focus on compound exercises that work for multiple muscle groups simultaneously, giving you the most bang for your buck. These exercises not only build strength but also improve coordination and balance. Start with a proper warm-up to prepare your body for the workout. Warming up increases blood flow to your muscles, reduces the risk of injury, and enhances your performance. A few minutes of light cardio, like jumping jacks or jogging in place, will get your heart rate up and your muscles ready for action. followed by dynamic stretches like arm circles and leg swings will do the trick. These movements help to increase your range of motion and prepare your joints for the workout ahead. Now it's time to hit the weights. Strength training is essential for building muscle mass and increasing overall strength. Focus on compound exercises like squats, which are great for working your legs, glutes and core. Deadlifts, which target your back, hamstrings and glutes, and bench presses, which are excellent for your chest, shoulders and triceps. Overhead presses, which work your shoulders and arms, and rows, which are fantastic for your back and biceps. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups, leading to greater overall muscle growth. They also help in burning more calories, making your workout more efficient. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for each exercise. This range is ideal for building muscle and strength. Remember to rest for about 60-90 seconds between sets to allow your muscles to recover. Finally, don't forget to cool down after your workout. Stretching and light cardio can help reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility. A proper cool down also helps your body transition back to a resting state. With this ultimate morning workout, you'll feel energized, strong, and ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. So get up, get moving, and unleash your inner beast. Section 4, pushing your limits, progressive overload for maximum gains. To keep those muscles growing, you need to challenge them consistently. This is where progressive overload comes in. It simply means gradually increasing the demands on your muscles over time. Imagine lifting the same weight for the same number of repetitions every workout. Initially, it's challenging, but as your muscles adapt, it becomes easier. To keep making progress, you need to keep pushing your limits. Progressive overload can involve increasing the weight you lift, the number of repetitions you perform, or the number of sets you complete. It's essential to listen to your body and progress gradually to avoid injury. Section 5, beyond the gym lifestyle habits for rapid muscle growth. Building muscle isn't just about what you do in the gym. The way you live your life outside the gym plays a crucial role in your muscle building success. Think of your body as a construction site. You're constantly building and repairing muscle tissue. To optimize this process, you need the right conditions. Getting enough sleep is crucial as your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for muscle repair and growth during deep sleep. Managing stress is also vital, as chronic stress can hinder muscle growth. And of course, staying adequately hydrated is essential for overall health and muscle function. Section 6. Fine-tuning your approach, individualization and supplements. While this morning routine provides a solid foundation for muscle growth, remember that everyone is different. Factors like your body type, training experience, and genetics can influence your results. Think of it like a recipe. You can tweak the ingredients and cooking time to suit your taste. Similarly, you might need to adjust the training volume, intensity, and frequency to match your individual needs and recovery capacity. Supplements can be helpful, but aren't a magic solution. Creatine and protein powder can supplement your diet and support muscle growth, but they're most effective when combined with a well-rounded nutrition and training plan. Section 7. Embrace the journey. Consistency is key. Building muscle takes time and consistent effort. There's no magic pill or overnight solution, but by following this morning routine consistently and staying dedicated to your goals, you'll see incredible results. Think of it like climbing a mountain. It's a challenging journey, but with each step you get closer to the summit. The key is to keep moving forward,